Things to do in Cape Town, Day 2. On Day 2, we headed to one of the most beautiful beaches in Cape Town, which is Comet J Beach. Very few people know about this hidden beach in Cape Town. After Comet J Beach, we headed to our second destination, which was Hot Bay Beach. The drive from here was very scenic. These are few pictures that I clicked on the way. Hot Bay Beach. Today we decided to cover all the major and beautiful beaches of Cape Town. So we headed to the most popular beach in Cape Town, the Camps Bay Beach. The journey from Hot Bay to Camps Bay Beach is very scenic. There are many points here where you can click beautiful pictures. Just enjoy the view from here. There were strong winds in Camps Bay Beach when we reached. You can even see the Table Mountain covered with clouds from here. We then headed to VA Waterfront, which is the main spot in Cape Town. The vibe here is just unmatchable. If you are coming to Cape Town during a new year, you have got your spot. After spending some time here, you can end your day 2 journey. Do like, share and subscribe if you like the video.